Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI.
I have this beautiful waterfall shower head that has taken my shower into something that I have to do, into something I want to do. It is so luxurious and beautiful. I love that it's not just a trickle. This is really a downfall of water that is going to get you completely wet and not a lot of time, so that's nice. It is such an improvement from the shower head that we had before, and for the price, it's just got us wondering why we didn't do this a long time ago. We put this in a relatively small space, and I didn't know that I could have such luxury in such a small space. I want to show you what it looks like. You can see here all of the different holes that the water comes through. I love how beautiful it is with the black and the gold trim. It's absolutely beautiful to look at. I love that all of the little nozzles are made of silicone, so they'll be easy to clean, and I know that this is going to last us for a very long time. Installation was an absolute breeze. I did it all by myself, and the kit came with everything that I could possibly need. It even came with some water restrictors. If you live in an area where water is restricted, then you can use those. I love that it came with the plumber's tape on it so that there was no leaking. All I did was twist it on there and then give it a few turns with a wrench, and it was ready to go. So if you're in the market for a beautiful shower head that's going to add some luxury to your shower and some beauty to your bathroom, you've found it.
And that's my point of view.